As an intellectual property lawyer, it is imperative that I communicate as clearly and as positively as possible. One of my problems was that at certain times I spoke too fast. I had attended several courses and had received helpful hints, but no technique. The Hudson voice technique has made a real difference in my confidence in public speaking, in addressing the court, and in communicating with clients. I can control my speech, and I sound more positive. Many thanks to you and Esther for all your help and support.
Hello, my name is Amara, and I'd like to introduce you to the world's only communication program created specifically for lawyers. It's called the Hudson Voice Technique, which was created by Steve Hudson, the world's leading communication consultant and trainer.
Hello, I'm Nick Deal. I spend a lot of my time training witnesses in how to give evidence in court. It's not only barristers who have to be persuasive. Confidence and the ability to convince others is vital in most jobs. I trained in the Hudson Voice Technique, which is probably one of the most useful things I've ever learned. I found it practical, straightforward, and enjoyable. It's a great tool for me personally, but also when I'm preparing witnesses for their cross-examination. The Hudson Voice Technique not only works, it really makes a difference.
The Hudson Voice Technique applies to talking and reading in all languages and all subjects. It doesn't matter if you are talking about environmental regulations or addressing a jury, the same rules apply. It also helps when studying court bundles, because this technique will enable you to retain more information, thus learn quicker.
I am certain that if all court advocates were trained in the Hudson Voice Technique, court sittings would be more interesting, the advocates would win more cases for their clients, which after all is what they're there for.
I've come to see that it's a great course for training anyone who wants to deliver their message more professionally. The right way, VoiceMaster is an invaluable resource.
Hello, I'm Steve Hudson. The Hudson Voice Technique is an entirely new approach to communication training. It is different from any other training you may have experienced. It teaches you how to take full control of the voice and the way words are delivered. The Hudson Voice Technique is the only verbal communication technique in the world. In only a few hours, our new training program will give your staff tools they can put into practice immediately. The Hudson Voice Technique is a life skill and guaranteed. Thanks for watching.